David Kwesiga Bahati, Minister w'ihanga bw'emishuburo, niwe yajekera President Yoweri Museveni amukorogu kandi yashaba ngo ubo bujunanizwa bwa buri muntu okurwana sovera no bucupa bwa plastic.
We discover the wisdom of those who lived before us. The innovative utilization of natural resources such as papyrus reeds, banana leaves, and banana fibers for packaging remains a sustainable and environmental friendly alternative.
Minister Bahati nagira ngo vera bwinji no bucupa nibukororwa mu ihanga konka abantu nibabinagijura kandi ubwo buryo bw'akababahangwa mu Uganda.
Uganda produces annually about 7,000 metric tons of plastic, which means that we can produce approximately 3 billion shopping carrier bags. This results in huge amounts of plastic waste into the environment.
Abanyamyogo mu byo buhangwa bwensi bayoreka ko hashemerire kubaho kubingira kimwe overo mu ihanga.
Akavera kaletire mitawana ningi kagire omumufureje kagita hazo umwizuzo gwita abantu ko mu Kampala turugiro umwizuzo burizo benjura yagwa habwa kavera obuvera bwitirente bwitire mbuzi bwitira abantu.
So the best way is to eliminate totally single-use plastics and we remain with reusable plastics.
Many of our residents voluntarily vacate wetlands in compliance with the government directives. However, these individuals now find themselves in urgent need of alternative livelihood support.
Amukorogu hatongozi bwa reportensi y'ibyo buhangwe ya National State of the Environment Report 2024 n'entebekanisa ya National Environment Research Agenda 2024 kusiya 2029. Omugandi Uganda nebane yegita amahanga ganda kirwa cha Africa okujaguze kiro cyo mwana wa Africa kandi kire kinkijaguze bwa buri 2016 kwezi kwa mukaga buri mwaka. Abwa district y'Isingiro ekire kijaguzibwe nyomwazyo kandi abazira bari kunagijiro bujunanizibwa bwabo bajumirirwe.
Abazire bingi kwakumanya ngo project ya mukwataraho hatu wo mwana murugaho ushanga ntubagurire nkito abazire bari mu bistero mbazi tubahereza uniform ushanga no bugano mwana yatanyikire tungurukire atakubasa gukoreza abazire batekatekire kubi batekateka ngo abana naba compassion.
Amukorogu hariho umwana hirwa mu cyakugambe biri kumushasho mukura kwe.
Abana bine ebiraje byakuyambirindo burga bwabo konka tibikuforo wingoje so government ebirajiro mutebiraje byakoza kundo bw'abana cyangwa umwana yakuwe na shumu umwana yakuwe na ryeje konka abazire polisi y'abana emere no byakweta kumara kungana baza kuhinga imende kuri so mwana akabaje.
Haro abazira borekiro butashemerwa bwo kuhinduka kw'emiture y'abantu ekiriyo kibateganiso mu kuza abana babo.
Konka nitwa abana mutremire murekeraho amayirungi murekeraho ibanda umwana no mutsinda kayishomero atoroka raro mu kibanda.
Umwana bakugira ngo genda uzo mu kirasi genda uzo mu kirasi ureke kwebusabusa oketororo ko ketororo.
Amakuru agasha kwa Job Namanya na Ruth Nwamanya.